Welcome to the Cardiff Youth Service. We're here to support young people just like you with a range of fun, creative and educational activities.
Whether it's sports, learning new skills or just having a safe place to hang out, we've got something for everyone. So what exactly is youth work?
Youth work is hard to describe in just one word because it is so many amazing things at once. It's a space where I've been able to learn about myself and the world around me. At its core, youth work is about giving young people like me a voice, respect and a chance to grow. It's based on 5 important ideas or pillars that make it so impactful. These are education, empowerment, participation, inclusion and personal expression. Youth work is all about education, but not the kind you get in school. It's learning through experiences, like trying new activities or being part of decisions that affect me and my friends. It's being empowered to take control of my own choices. It's voluntary too. Nothing is forced on you. You choose to participate, and when you do, it feels meaningful. There's no judgment here. Youth work is inclusive. Whether you're shy, outgoing, dealing with personal struggles, or just trying to figure out who you are, there's a place for everyone. Youth work also makes space for all identities, and that's so important to me and my friends. It's a place where everyone, no matter their background, race, gender identity or sexuality, is respected. I've seen how youth workers make sure to respect people's pronouns and create an environment where the LGBTQ+ community feel seen and heard. It's helped me and others feel safe enough to be ourselves, especially when we're still figuring out who we are. The support they give is personal, helping me develop into someone more confident, informed and ready to face life's challenges.
In participation, you'll find that your idea matters. Whether you want to start a new project or join our local youth council, your voice counts here. Youth work is about education too, not the school kind, but learning new life skills like exploring your potential and discovering new talents. We stand for inclusion. No matter your background, everyone is welcome here. We make sure our spaces are respectful and inclusive. And then there's expressing yourself. Whether it's art, music or getting active, we give you chances to express yourself and stay healthy.
Before I got involved in youth work, I didn't really know how to talk about my feelings, especially the tough ones. Things like anxiety, stress or feeling low, it's hard to open up about that stuff, especially when you think no one will understand. But in youth work, it's different. It's a safe space and they genuinely care about our mental health and well-being. I never felt like my problems were too small or that I had to deal with things alone. The youth workers are trained to support us through difficult times, and it shows. Sometimes it is simple as someone asking, "How are you doing, really?" Other times it's bigger, like connecting me with resources that can help me with my mental health or just listening when I need to talk. There's something comforting knowing that when life gets overwhelming, I have people who understand, who won't judge me and will help me to find ways to open up. It's not just about fixing the problem, it's about learning how to take care about yourself, both physically and mentally.
We've also embraced the digital world, offering a digital youth curriculum to help you to connect and learn and create online. All of our youth centres across Cardiff are spaces where you can come and feel supported. We've got teams of youth workers who are here to provide you guidance, advice and most importantly, a safe space to be yourself. It's a space to go and a space to grow.
It's all about creating a pathway to the future, and I feel ready to walk down it.
What I love most about youth work is how it's built on respect and trust. We're not just treated like kids who need help, we're treated like equals. That respect goes both ways. We learn how to listen to each other, how to solve problems together, and how to make sure no one feels left out. It's about working in partnership, not just with youth workers, but with the entire group. And when someone is going through a tough time, we rally around them. It's not just up to the youth workers, we look out for each other too. It's like family, and when bigger problems come up, we're not hesitant to get other people involved, whether that's teachers, health professionals, even local organisations. Everyone works together and makes sure we're supported from every angle. That's something I'll always be grateful for.
So if you're looking for a space where you can learn and have fun, come check us out. Cardiff Youth Service is here to support you every step of the way. It's a space to go and a space to grow. Before I got involved in youth work, I didn't think too much about my future. It all seemed sort of far away and scary. But now I feel like I could do anything. Youth work has helped me plan for the future, not just in terms of what job I might want or what I should study, but how I want to live my life. They taught me about resilience, how to keep going when things get tough, about setting goals that are achievable but also push me to my best. I've learned how to communicate, how to organise my time, and how to take responsibility for my own decisions. These are skills I will take with me wherever I go, whether it's school, work, or just in general. More than that, Youth work has taught me about the value of community and how important it is to stay connected to the people around you. It's not just about me, it's about all of us moving forward together, building a future where we can all succeed.
Visit our youth centres or check us out online.
Cardiff Youth Service,
A space to go and a space to grow.